Hello and welcome to sunny Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Next GA Aircraft. I'm William Bird, and today we're here to look at a beautiful, well-equipped, unique 2007 Columbia 350, November 1137 Alpha. Let's take a closer look. November 1137 Alpha has about 1,440 hours total time since new on the airframe, as well as the hot prop. The engine has about 690 hours since factory new. The Columbia 350 is the ultimate cross-country machine. You can expect speeds, realistically, of about 180 knots or so in normal configurations. The glider ratio is about 13:1, so the airframe is very efficient, it's very slick. The airplane doesn't like to slow down, but you have speed brakes, which really help. And we also can hold up to 98 gallons of usable fuel. The Columbia 350 is a very sleek composite aircraft. It doesn't like to slow down. Fortunately, with the aircraft being certified in the utility category, we have very high V speeds. V&E is 230 knots. The green arc goes all the way to 179 knots, so we can keep the speed up, but when it's time to slow down, the speed brakes are really helpful for that. Now, the speed brakes are approved for all phases of flight. They really help to get you down to your flat speeds where you can put some drag in and get configured for landing. This special edition 350 features a unique paint scheme with silver belly and Ferrari red stripe. The 350 is an all-composite aircraft. Features much more carbon fiber throughout its design than comparable composite aircraft. For instance, our control surfaces are all carbon fiber, the doors are carbon fiber. We feature redundant wingtip to wingtip composite spars. All of our fuel, our 98 gallons of fuel, sit in a wet wing design in between those spars. That gives us a range of well over 1,000 nautical miles, and the aircraft is certified in the utility category. The 350 is the ultimate cross-country machine. You're going to want to take your stuff, and the 350 features plenty of baggage space. You can see that there is a hat shelf area for our lighter items in the back, and we can remove that black bar to fold or remove the seats and load it up like an SUV if needed. Welcome to the cabin of the Columbia 350. We feature gray leather Organero sport seats, leather headliner, leather sidewalls. We have 4-place inertia rail seat belts, harnesses. On a day like today, it's 95 degrees. You'll be happy to know that this has factory air conditioning and works really well. It's a digital set forget system and approved for all phases. And we also have 4-place Bose and standard headset jacks. November 1137 Alpha features the Garmin G1000 fully integrated flight deck with ReadyPad and GFC 700 digital autopilot. We also feature XM weather and radio, active traffic, ADS-B in and out, TAWS-B, digital engine monitoring with lean assist, Garmin SafeTaxi, Garmin charts, and a 406 MHz ELT. This 350 is equipped with factory air conditioning, a hot prop, upgraded HID landing and taxi lights, the Whelen Orion 600 LED anti-collision and nav light STC, speed brakes, integral lightning protection, a tuned induction and exhaust system, and dual composite spars. This unique special edition Columbia 350 is in great shape. It has had a great maintenance history, and it's looking for a new home. So come on over to Greensboro, North Carolina. I'd love to meet with you, fly the airplane. We can take it up and check it out for yourself. For Next GA Aircraft, I'm William Bird.